Hey y'all, welcome back to the Pink Envelope. I am unboxing a favorite of mine. This is Vella Box, and it is the best candle subscription I have found yet. I've only tried maybe 3 total, including Vella Box, and I liked the other 2, but for some reason I was not in love with the other 2. Then I discovered Vella, and then I just stopped searching because I found my candle box. Vella is a candle subscription box that sends artisan candles. But they themselves don't make the candles. They are looking for other small businesses that they can support. So every month you get a new scent by a new artisan candle designer, creator. What are they called? Probably both, because you have to do a logo and a scent. They have 3 different box options, Vella Box does. That started only $12 a month. So for $12 a month, you could be getting a amazing candle sent to your house and be supporting a US-based small business. I'm telling you, I love them. Vella also offers prepaid discounts. So the 3 box options are the Lucerna, I think I'm saying that right, and it is $18 a month, but if you prepay, so like you buy 6 months or 3 months in advance, you get a discount, so the price lowers from $18. You get a 4-ounce candle and a surprise, which is 40 hours of burn time. The Ignis, I have no idea if I'm saying these right, which is the middle option. It is $28 a month, and you get an 8-ounce candle plus a surprise gift, which is about 80 hours of burn time. And then the Vivier, at $38 a month, you get a 16-ounce candle and a surprise. There's free shipping in the US, and they do ship to Canada, and shipping is only $5. Another thing I love that they do. And if you use this code here, you're gonna get $5 off your subscription. So this is how to sign up and what to use. However, this is also a giveaway. If you want to enter to win your very own Vella Box, all you have to do is give this video a like, subscribe to my channel, whichever where it is for you guys, depending on are you on a cell phone or a computer. Comment and tell us why you would need a candle subscription, or have you tried Vella? Tell us about your experience. Give us a little, if you've watched a past Vella unboxing, tell us what you thought on that. And share this video with a friend to have them come over and hang out with us as well. And you're entered to win. I will draw a name and we will ship you your box. Rules, there always has to be rules. You do have to be over 18 to enter this giveaway, and you do have to be based in the US so that I can easily ship you your box. So here is the cute little box that comes in. On the front, it says artisan made, luxury scents, elevated design, eco-friendly packaging, and natural ingredients. They have guaranteed clean burning candles made with 100% natural wax, cotton wicks, and phthalate-free fragrances, which if you've hung out here, it wasn't that many vlogs ago that I told you guys that I threw away all of the crappy air fresheners from either the grocery store or Bath & Body Works, because I was like, this stuff, I'm like opting into my family breathing this stuff. So, which is another qualifier I was looking for in a candle subscription, that I wasn't just walking back down the same path of bad things. So, clean burning candles. And this month I got mistletoe from Earthside Candle Co. And look at that big ol' honking candle. Like, my hand doesn't even wrap around half the base. The candle is so big. This is the 16-ounce, which is the top option at $38 a month. Of course, if you prepay or you subscribe for several months, the price comes down from there. I have not yet met a candle from Vella Box that I didn't love. This smells so good. This smells so good. So it smells like eucalyptus, clover, and cedar. It's 100% soy wax, 16 ounces. It smells so good. But it smells like fresh Christmas tree smell, but it's not overwhelming, which is such, I mean, as I'm filming this with you guys right now, I have a pounding headache. I've had it for a week. We can't figure out how to get rid of it. All my normal medication is not working on it. And I can still have this candle right here and smell it, because the scents are bold in that they're clear, like they're defined scents and they smell good, but they're not strong. So it's not like hitting you in the face and you're just like, oh my gosh, my head's gonna start pounding, which is another reason why I think I love Vella. And then in the bottom down here, Nostalgia Moisturizing Body Butter. And this is the little gift that I got in this box. So the Earthside Candle Co. in Ilera Apothecary, I-L-E-R-A. And this is a sample from them. And then on here, it talks about the small businesses, who they are, where they're from, and then there is a discount that if you love what you experience here, you can go to their site and order more. But let me tell you the exciting part of what's coming in 2022 with Vella. So I was already a fangirl. If you go back, you can see them in several of my monthly hauls. I've talked about Vella many times before. Many times before. Here is my Elevated Scents candles. This came in, I don't remember which box. As you can see, this one's already halfway burned down. So this came in one of my boxes. And this is by Beverly and Third. This is the Happy Camper. And then there was a pumpkin candle with it. It was like this. Also, I already burnt it. It was amazing. I burnt the whole thing in November and it's gone. This is part of the change. So in the big box, which is the Vivier, you used to get a set of candles like this. In this one, like pretend there's a candle right here. And that was what was in there. They're not doing that anymore. Instead of getting a smaller and a bigger, I don't know how many ounces those are, you're just gonna get one whopping 16-ounce candle. I liked the two, but I love the idea of one. Like the pumpkin one, I've already burnt it, and this one I've already burnt it, but I haven't even touched the smallers. And I don't actually know why. Maybe everybody was doing that. Maybe that's why they're making the change. The other thing they're doing is letting you customize your scent. So let me tell you more on that. Subscribers at any box level may choose their scent preferences. New subscribers will get to do this when they sign up. Existing subscribers are encouraged to go back and set their preferences ASAP. And subscribers can always update their preferences as the seasons change or whenever you want, really, she said. In order for your preferences to be in effect for the following month, Vella Box did say subscribers need to update their preferences before the first of the month. So if you're a current subscriber, go look at the site. They've got some new things on there and you're gonna wanna set your preferences. And then once you fill out your quiz, and it's a great quiz, I filled the whole thing out. I went through, you can like choose from strong scents, standard scents, or light scents, and you let them know how strong you want your candle. I chose standard. You also can choose what you like. Do you like citrus or do you like woodsy? And they ask you those type of questions because then they use all of that to curate your candle choice to make sure you're getting a candle that matches exactly what you love. So this month they told me there's a mistletoe, there's a wassail, and a frosted juniper. I got the mistletoe because it most aligns with that more woodsy smell that I like, versus the wassail is like orange peel, cinnamon, lemon, apple cider, cranberry, and wood. So it has a little more citrus to it. And then the frosted juniper is juniper, sage, ozone, pine, cherry, berry, and pear. And I'm sure I would have loved those. But I don't know. What if the frosted juniper is one of the really strong candles? I wouldn't have enjoyed that. So I am loving the upgrade to the one big candle. Also, no more little surprise gifts. They're moving into full-size, more hardy additional gifts in each box. So this is, with a full-size product, what we're moving into with the customization. I literally, you know, when you're a subscriber for something and you're just so pleased, you're like, it doesn't get any better than this. And then they do something, you're like, oh my gosh, it just got better. That is what Vella just did. They do have candle gift boxes you can order. I don't know on shipping because, right, shipping's so cray right now. But you definitely can print off and give them the e-certificate that you ordered a subscription. A candle subscription like this, it makes an excellent gift. It makes a great gift for people at work that you're not quite sure about, because they can go in and fill out their preferences on what candle type they want. It makes a good gift for neighbors, friends, family, to yourself. And outside of Christmas, we're in Christmas now, right? I'm wearing my whole Christmas cactus right now. I think this is one of the best pick-me-up gifts. This and a flower subscription. Literally, you can subscribe for a whopping $12 a month and just make somebody's day. Just a surprise gift showing up. So I'm a fan. I have all the information about how the candles are clean made, featuring American artisans, all that stuff down below if you want to read in more detail. And use my coupon code to sign up to treat yourself or someone else to this amazing gift. And make sure you enter the giveaway. I don't know where we're falling. I know this has got to be close to one of the very last like dedicated unboxings I do for the year, because I'm gonna peace out for a bit. Y'all will see that at the last couple of weeks of December and into the early January, I'm not gonna be around. I really just wanna have the freedom and liberty to play with my kiddos. They're at that age where in less than a handful of years, they're not gonna be in my house anymore. So I'm really wanting to optimize and spend a lot of great time with them. So you'll see me bounce out, but this might be our last giveaway of 2021. How crazy is that? So make sure you subscribe, like, and comment and tell us what you think about Vella to enter to win. I hope that you guys have a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, and I hope to see you soon. Bye, y'all.